welcome to my channel. Happy Diwali to all my viewers in advance. Today I will be sharing a 5-minute craft for making a tea light stand. You can also put Diya in the place of tea light to decorate your home. Isn't it looking gorgeous? All you will need is any soft drink tin can, some foam flowers, leaves and lace. All the links for the products are given in the description box below, so check it out also. If you like this project, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will be notified about my next uploads. So here we start.